Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baiklah, saya Fikri Arofa dengan NIM 501200 dari kelas 4F Ekonomi Syariah. Akan menjelaskan hasil tugas kedua saja. Kata kunci Marine in Indonesia, book chapter 1. 12. The governance of coastal and marine social ecological system, Indonesia and beyond. The interaction between humans and nature is the root of sustainability problems around the world. This chapter raises questions about Indonesian coastal and marine regions, how governance affects and behavior of people and communities in coastal and marine regions, which is towards greater environmental and social sustainability. How can you change that? Reader with definitely of key social science themes, including governance, institution, and socio-ecological system, will be introduced to the major changes, issues, and sector of Indonesian coastal governance. The main policy recommendation at the end of the subsection are: 1. Mangroves, 2. Fisheries and aquaculture, 3. Waterheads and land use, 4. Ocean and coastal protection, 5. Coastal livelihoods and societies. It is about the management. 6. Contamination is display overlapping and trade-offs between this sector. Recommendations are identified aligned with the need integration planning and integrate comprehensive governance approach within the theoretical framework of adaptive, evolutionary, and future-proof governance. A series of general suggestions have been proposed. Reference: Glaser M. Adrianto, L. Breakwald et al. 2002-12, The Governance of Coastal and Marine Social Ecological System, Indonesia and Beyond. Science for the Protection of Indonesian Coastal Ecosystem, SPICE, Elsevier 407-443. 2. 1. Introduction. Science for the Protection of Indonesian Coastal Ecosystem. Indonesia, with more than 17,000 islands, is an exceptional place on earth. It is on the most lush mangrove forest, seagrass beds, coral reefs, and countries with the highest marine biodiversity, with the highest influx of dissolved material and particles into the ocean. Reference: Janarjah, TC, Riksenti, Irianto, A.I. et al. 2002. 1. Introduction. Science for the Protection of Indonesian Coastal Ecosystem, SPICE. Science for the Protection of Indonesian Coastal Ecosystem, SPICE. Elsevier 1-11. 3. 2. Physical improvement of Indonesian seas with focus on the western regions. The Indonesian Ocean plays an important role in the Earth's marine environment, both in the term of marine environment and bioecological aspects. A large population of about 400 million is a direct or indirect contact with the oceans, which affect the marine environment. Reference: Mayer, B. Siegel, H. J. M. et al. 2002. Physical improvement of the Indonesian seas with focus on the western region. Science for Protection of Indonesian Coastal Ecosystem, SPICE. 4. 9. Late Quaternary and Environmental History of Indonesia. Indonesia Paleolithic research is becoming more and more important as awareness of the region's important role in the global climate grows. By reconstructing past climate trends and variability. Paleoclimate studies contributed to a more reliable simulation of Indonesian future climate. Reference Muhtadi M. Luget E. Steinke et al. 2002, 9 Late Quaternary Environmental History of Indonesia. Science for Protection Indonesia, Coastal Ecosystem Spice. LPR 347 sampai 369. 5. Chapter 21. Java Island, Indonesia. Java is the economic and political center of Indonesia with over 17.500 islands. Southeast Asia is a hub for marine biodiversity with coral reef cygnus beds and mangroves on Java Island. The reference is Sikowitz, L. Damar E. Perse, SGE et al. 2019, Chapter 21, Java Island, Indonesia, Academic Press 459 sampai 490. 6. Mangrove ecosystems under threat in Indonesia, the Sagara Anakan Legend, Java, and other examples. Referensi Jenerjah, TG, Ardi, ER, Boy, G et al. 2002, 7 mangrove ecosystem under threat in Indonesia, the Sagara Anakan Lagoon, Java, and other examples. Science for the Protection of Indonesian Coastal Ecosystem, SPICE, Elsevier 251 sampai 284. 7. 10. Decision tool for assuring marine Finnish aquaculture site in Southeast Asia. 8. Chapter 5. Sustainable Coastal Management for Social Ecological System, a typology approach in Indonesia. 9. Chapter 17. Status of the three kangaroos, science and conservation in Indonesia, New Guinea. 10. Chapter 25. Sulawesi Seas, Indonesia. 11. Chapter 16. Relevance of alloctonous input from an agriculture dominated hinterland for blue carbon stored in mangrove sediment in Java, Indonesia. 12. Chapter 40. Western New Guinea, Papua and West Papua Province, Indonesia. 13. Chapter 5. Polyhenous resource in Indonesia from economic perspective. 14. Chapter 6. Impact of COVID-19 in marine fisheries supply chains, case study of Malaysia. 15. Chapter 3. Agroforestry management practices in relation to tenure security in Kota Tanga, Sub-District West Sumatra, Indonesia. 16. 9. Perspectives on marine plastic. 17. Chapter 11. Plastic population in marine and freshwater environments, abundance, source, and mitigation. 18. 1. Marine plastic, what's wrong with them? 19. Chapter 1. Food system perspective and food and nutrition security in Australia, Indonesia, and Vanuatu. 20. Chapter 4. Marine microbial hotspots, especially related to corals. 21. 6. Marine organism and bioindicator of plastic population. 22. 6. The tracer of marine environment. 23. Chapter 6. Impact analysis of oil pollution on environment, marine and soil communities. 24. Chapter 18. Practice of tsunami evacuation planning in Padang, Indonesia. 25. Chapter 39. Marine natural products and plants virus control. Chapter 26. Chapter 14. Hierarchical nanoporous silica based material from marine diatoms. 27. 5. Coral Reef Social Ecological System under pressure in Southern Sulawesi. 28. 11. Anti-cancer natural product from marine invertebrates. 28. 12. Bond events and monsoon variability during Holocene evidence from marine and continental airships. 29. Chapter 8. Biorefinery involving terrestrial and marine lignocellulose concept, potential, and current status. 30. 4. Carbon cycle in tropical wetland and coastal seas. This chapter provides background information on feed, especially its role in the Indonesian flag and the global carbon cycle, and summaries information on anthropogenic CO2 emission caused by feed excellence in empire. 31. Chapter 10. Pyrrole derived alkaloids of marine sponges and their biological properties. 32. Chapter 8. The occupation of Southeast Asia, Indonesia, and Australia. 33. 6. Ecology, seagrass beds and Sulawesi, multifunctional key habitats at the risk of destruction. Chapter 22. Peeling the Pipeline, Northwestern Michigan College building a new generation marine technologies for tomorrow's workplace, the Blue Technician. 35. Chapter 18. The challenge of establishing marine protected areas in Southeast Asia. 36. Chapter 10. Informing marine spatial planning decision with environmental DNA. 37. 8. Impact of megacities of the pollution of coastal areas. The case example Jakarta by 38. Chapter 17. Macroplastic pollution in the marine environment. Over 320 million tons of plastic are produced worldwide each year. Therefore, the invention of plastic waste into the marine environment is a global importance and has direct and indirect impacts on ecosystem, marine life, and local and economies. 39. Marine natural products are strategic prototypes and development a new generation of environmental agents. This chapter summarizes recent developments and presents a perspective of marine natural products and strategic prototype the development of a new generation anti-malaria drugs and audition the mechanism of action potential of these molecules has been discussed. 40. Chapter 6. The role of coastal communities in the sustainable management of marine protected areas. Chapter 16. Probiotic 41. Chapter 16. Probiotic fortified seaweed silage as a feed supplement in marine hectares. 42. Chapter 3. Cyanobacteria in tropical and subtropical marine environments, blooms, formation, and ecological role. 43. Chapter 5. Biomedicine developments based on marine biodiversity, present and future. Chapter 30. Advance in isolation and preservation strategies of ecological important marine protests, the Straustodirids. 45. Chapter 30. Marine spatial planning. Marine area plans are being developed around the world to promote sustainable marine management and governance. 46 chapter 11 Chitin Chitosan Marine to Market. This chapter describes the conversion of chitin isolation from marine resource in market products. 47 chapter 20 A framework for the quantitative assessment of mangrove resilience. Over the past century, humans have threatened mangrove communities around the world, and the existence of longevity in mangroves become important. 48. 11. Decision tool for estimating energy potential from tidal resource. This chapter presents the result of research that has led to the development and application of common method for characterizing tidal energy resource in areas low data. 9. 3. Human intervention in ripest and estuaries of Java and Sumatra. Ripest in Indonesia are of global importance in terms of dissolved and particulation flow and in the control of natural factor and human intervention in the air catchment areas. 50. Chapter 2 Monthly wind patterns, general pattern of surface marine circulation, pressure and winds. Ocean circulation, which affect important environmental conditions such as temperature, reach to atmospheric circulation. This chapter describes how and why large-scale atmospheric circulation occurs. Reference Burns and Rowley RP 2021 Chapter 2 Monthly wind patterns, general pattern of surface marine circulation, pressure and winds, annotated atlas and coastal and marine winds, Elsevier 17-47. Baiklah, itulah penjelasan dari tugas kedua saya. Jika banyak kurangnya, saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.